Starting the vlog out strong, ladies and gentlemen. We're here at Mount Fuji. What was that? Oh, we got a couple cars coming up here, guys. Oh, Liberty Walk. Look at that. We're off to a great start here. We got the Liberty Walk GT-R. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the Fuji Speedway. At one of the entrances, we got the cherry blossoms. Looking pretty damn beautiful. And of course, we got the anti-terrorism vigilance underway. We're gonna wait here. Just get some of the cars rolling through, see what's what. And of course, we got the Toyota Crown that's been very, very reliable and excellent. A whole gang of Liberty Walk cars rolling through. Check out that Aventador. Oh, we got the Maserati too. Yes. Excellent. Got that GT-R in the back. It's brown. Pretty sick. These cherry blossoms, are they fully bloomed or are they like
Yeah, I think this is the peak, and then after this they're gonna disappear.
Oh. Yeah. Liberty Walk Aventador. Look at that. So low. That's hot. He's checking out the Toyota Crown. Respect to the man in the Liberty Walk Aventador Roadster. Yes, sir. We got Eddie locking it down, getting the shot. Oh, look, an AMG GT. Just kidding, it's the Vantage. The new Vantage. They share the same engine, if you didn't know. We got the supercars rolling through as well. Yes, Liberty Walk. Or Liberty Walk. That's a really nice color. But this is pretty damn special. It looks almost stock, which is quite unusual. Murcielago Liberty Walk. We got the American Muscle locking it down as well. R8. Oh my goodness. We got a special appearance. Just wait for it. It's a Koenig special right there in dark blue. Hold on. Guys. Oh my goodness. Yes. Dude, big salute. Yes. Oh yeah. The dark blue Koenig special right next to Liberty Walk Murcielago. Holy smokes. I'm getting a cell phone photo while recording, so I do apologize. Oh, yes. Holy shit. Look at this. It's a limousine Bolsozoka car. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my god. Oh, this thing. Oh, look at this. This thing is so sick. Yes, Koenig special. The wide variety of cars that you get here in Japan is astounding. Oh my goodness. Acura NSX in orange. That's really strange. This is by far the coolest car right next to the Bolsozoka limousine that just rolled through. Oh, nice color. Yes, the Escalade. Yes. Oh, represent the Prius. Dude, check it out. New Toyota Century. Whole squad. Rolling through. Oh, we got all the Porsches. GT3. Fiat. Yeah. Dude, it's actually pretty exciting seeing all these cars roll through. Last year, they had 200 Liberty Walk cars at this event at Fuji Speedway. Will they break the record this time? Oh my goodness. Wow. Check out those wheels. Anthony's Garage, if you're watching this, here's some inspiration for your next build or car. Check out the guy's outfit too. Fantastic. Oh, JDM for you guys. Check out this R33 4-door mega rare. Oh yeah. This was for you JDM fans. We're out here in Japan representing. There she goes, guys. Yes. Big salute. The whole squad. See, the problem with a lot of American car shows, you don't see a lot of modified cars like you see here. And we got the whole Bosuzoku car crew rolling through. That one right there was actually for sale, and I was actually looking to buy that. But dude, yes, look at that. Oh my goodness, yes. Officer Pena would not have liked that car one bit. There's a guy wearing a Jason mask on top of this double decker. Boy, they're all wearing Jason masks. Yeah. Hello. Dude, there's a lot to see and a lot to video around here. I don't even know where to begin, but we're going to start with this very interesting Lamborghini Aventador Mirror Edition. Now you might be wondering, why is it Liberty Walk with a massive wing and side skirts and diffuser? Believe it or not, it is a real 50th edition. Hold on, check this out, guys. Hold on. Right over there, of course, on the upholstery right there, I'm going to polarize that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got the Mirror 50th edition upholstery on the seating, and of course it has it on the little badge right there. Some genius, some no fucks given owner has Liberty walked his Mirror edition Aventador. Oh, and of course you got it right over there as well. Look at that. Wow. I don't even know what to tell you. Aston Martin section right over here. We got the Fiat section right over there. And the Liberty Walk section is way down there. So we're gonna do one section at a time, guys. New DBS in gold. Look at that. That is a stunning spec. Very nice. We got the old school Vanquish S. Right over here, the new AMG GT Super Leggero. Oh, look at the interior. Ooh, that is creamy white. Uh-oh, what happened?
Pajero Evo.
It's a Pajero Evo that Max has been going on about for the past year or so. We got the Ferraris here. And the J50 in yellow. Yellow is usually not my color of choice, but this thing, not bad, yeah. Got the Ultraman car here. We're not entirely sure if it's a replica or the actual car from the show. Yeah, pretty hot. Look at that. Dude, what automotive event in Tokyo is without a good show? Check this out. Hold on. Dude, all the OG subscribers, you would know that this parking lot, we were here last time for the Ferrari event where they had the J50. All the Ferraris lined up here in the transport truck. So, what do we have here? Oh my goodness. Dude, guys, if you're thinking it's like an R8 or like symbolic kit, it is an 86. Look at the side blades. Oh yeah. Guys, if you think this is the Mercedes SLK, you're sadly mistaken. Check this out. Hold on. S2000 from the rear, guys. I'm not really sure what to say here. We got a Nissan GT-R with forged carbon all over the place, and it's chalk carbon? Oh my goodness, this Lexus has it too. Forged carbon has expanded from the Lamborghini cars to every aspect of the car culture. Oh no. Drift event here, guys. Everyone's watching extremely intently. Got a nice little bird's eye view here of the entire event here. All the supercars are lined up over there. Aston Martin, Nissan, Fiats, all the American muscle cars, the Corvettes and the Camaros are rolling on the track, and we got the drifting happening over there. So is that a V6 F-Type all the way down there? Here at the Aston Martin garage here. Check out this Vulcan right here. It is not a standard Vulcan wing. Very interesting. This will be going on track in about 30 minutes, so yeah. We got, there it is. All right, we're in business. Energy kit. Holy crap. Massive wing, interesting interior, interesting color. Oh look, the wide fenders are here, do not match the color of the actual car, but that's okay, I guess, right? Wow, this thing honestly looks kind of mean, but alas, it is an i8 Roadster. Give it some gas, come on. Hit it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yes. Kato-san. The whole family's in there. Nice. Jeez, that's so loud. Oh my Got the baby. Got the baby. Oh yeah. Mustang Liberty Walk. Nice. GT-R, R8. I think they're all bouncing, dude. Kato-san leading the charge. Yeah. Guys, I don't even know where to point my camera. The Escalade, oh yeah. Yes, sir. Alright, let's go back over here. Running back and forth here, guys. leading the charge. Oh, hold on, what do we got here? Yes, that is sick. Dude, Stradman, if you're listening, make sure to pick one up for Oscar Pop. But yeah, you got kato-san leading the charge. Around 50 plus Liberty Walk cars out of Fuji Speedway, baby. Out of this whole range of Liberty Walked, lower stanched out Nissan GT-Rs, which one will you take? I'm going with either the brown one or the blue one. Tough decision, very, very tough decision. Well, I found myself in the media center all by myself. It is completely empty, spick and span, totally clean. Got a couple Toyota 2000 GTs rocking it down there at the pits. Got the old school NSX, got the new NSX, a couple other cars right over there. And I don't really know what part of the program this is, but enjoy my apple juice. All right, guys, so they have all the supercars on the straightaway. They're allowing the public, as you can tell, it's a fuck fest out there, guys. So we're gonna just chill in the media room, play a little War Robots, a little Fortnite, and check out the internet here, guys. 47 download, 90 upload. Wow. Max, what game are you playing?
I'm playing Instagram DMs with Indy.
Still playing some War Robots. Eddie's locking it down on Fortnite. Max, what's going on?
I'm just chilling.
Oh, you're just chilling, watching. Are they holding chainsaws or like guitars? She's got a chainsaw. She's got a chainsaw gun. Oh yeah, they're holding guitars and chainsaws. I guess it's like a performance before the cars go back out on track. We're nearing the end of today's festivities. We got the sick Lotus 410 Sport Exige. I don't think it's sold in America, but oh, nice. There goes the S2000 with the SOK front. All the cars are getting loaded up. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna try and catch the Ferrari supercars, the J50, Enzo F40, and maybe the Vulcan getting loaded up. This one's for the JDN homies. We got the Veilside kits on the Mazda RX-7s. Would you take the blue one or the yellow one? All right, so a little history of these 5 Ferraris here. We think it's owned by the same owner who owns Corn's Ferrari. At least these 2 cars are definitely his. Those 3 cars right over there, pretty damn good, man. They're in perfect, impeccable condition. But this J50 and this Enzo, no, hold on, now Ken Saito said this Enzo has an aftermarket navigation system right over there. And believe it or not, it has matching plates. So Ken Saito said it has the 1861 on the J50 and the Enzo, and on the top 3 characters right there, the 333, are identical, which is basically nearly impossible to get. So he must know somebody or have a lot of connections. 6 exhausts on this 365 Ferrari right over here. Of course, we got the Testarossa right over there with the star wheels. Of course, the F40 looking pretty damn good. So, which of these cars would you choose? F40? Enzo? Testarossa? 365? J50? Cold startup on the J50. Here she comes. Oh, 10 feet. Wow. Respect, respect. It's the combo of the ages, guys. You got the J50 and the F40 right over there. Very reminiscent of Monterey Car Week. And there's a truck on stilts or, All right, that's one way of doing things. Goodbye, J50 and F40. We're back to Kyoto for the Kyoto Concours T Eleganza Rally. Hello.
Hello.
Well, guys, that wraps up. What's this event called again?
Motor Fan Fest.
Motor Fan Fest. Yes. And we got a J40.
You just have
I quit.